Hey guys, I hope you're having a wonderful day. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you this brand new Cars character. This is Dexter Hoover, the flag waver truck for the Piston Cup. This is a 143 scale diecast, originally from Disney Store. And here's the bottom. Yep, it's from Disney Store. And oh yeah, and his fictitious model is a Pablo Loco Compact, which resembles a, oh yeah, and his real model is a 2000 Toyota Tundra regular cab. And here's the flag. This is a checkered flag. Yeah, this is a checkered flag, which means that the race is over and one race car is the winner. But in the Dinoco 400 in 2005, it was a three-way tie between McQueen, Chick, and the King. And yep, he has the Piston Cup logo, and it says official on both sides and on the back. And the license plate says A311CA. Oh, A311? Huh. Okay, so, but this would be an A113 license plate. But this would be an A113 license plate, just like on Mater. Yep, a really great truck. This is a really great model. I really like this. Here's the front. It says Piston Cup official. And yes, Dexter is a race official. Oh yeah. Oh yes, he has been first made as a Mattel diecast before. He was first made as a Mattel diecast in 2008. I heard that. Yes, I have seen Dexter Hoover in a 2-pack with Charlie Checker, the pace car, for the Piston Cup. And, yeah. Yep, really nice truck. Wow, this is such a great model. I really like this model, you guys. Yep. Oh yeah, it says Piston Cup Racing Series. And yes, I have discovered that oh yes, I have discovered that NASCAR and the Piston Cup are the same sport. For what I know, they both have big oval racetracks full of stock cars, such as McQueen, Chick, and the King, and Billy Oil Changer, and Billy Oil Changer, and Claude Scruggs, and Todd Marcus. Oh yeah, and Chuck Armstrong, and Eugene Carbureski, and Ralph Carlo. Yeah, Ralph Carlo. This is a really great diecast truck. Okay. Okay, guys. I just wanted to show you the new diecast. The new Piston Cup character diecast. Dexter Hoover, the flag waver truck for the Piston Cup. Goodbye.